Well, I had been sneezing, but I forgot to press record. I'd been sneezing for about 4 minutes, or 3 minutes. That was a little bit exaggerated. I was sneezing for about 3 minutes, but I was nowhere near my phone, so I came inside, and I thought I was recording, but I wasn't recording. And now it stopped. But there's some guy who keeps asking me to hold my sneeze. Why? Hold back your sneeze. Strange. Does he get a kick out of that or something? Anyway. That was a sneeze for tonight. And again, I missed it. Damn. And we had friends over from New Zealand for the last few days, so I've not really had much time to do anything. So that's another reason for not posting. Okay guys, keep you updated. Bye.